In the sacred archives of history, nestled within the profound verses of the Gospel of John, there lies a poignant moment, a moment of profound foresight and divine revelation. It is a moment when the Lord Jesus Christ, in his earthly ministry, stands on the precipice of profound sacrifice, knowing the path that lies before him, a path that leads to the rugged wood of the cross. In John 16:7-12, amidst the gathering dusk of his earthly sojourn, Jesus speaks to his disciples, his words laden with solemnity and tender understanding. "I have many things to say to you," he confides, his voice suffused with a depth of wisdom and compassion beyond mortal comprehension, "but you cannot bear them now." In these words, we glimpse the unfathomable depths of Christ's love and understanding. He, the embodiment of divine truth and infinite compassion, recognizes the limitations of his disciples' comprehension, the frailty of their mortal understanding. And yet, within the grand tapestry of divine providence, there emerges a promise of redemption and renewal. For just as Jesus foresaw the need for a new expression of truth to come, so too has this promise found fulfillment in the unfolding of history. Today, to millennia hence, amidst the ebb and flow of human history, there shines forth a beacon of divine enlightenment, a revelation bestowed upon humanity by the hand of providence itself. It is the divine principle, the teachings of Father Sun Myung Moon, unveiled to the world as a testament to the eternal verities that Jesus, in his earthly ministry, was unable to fully articulate. In the divine principle, we find the culmination of the truths that Jesus longed to impart, the revelation of the profound mysteries of God's eternal plan for humanity. It is a truth that transcends the confines of time and space, a truth that illuminates the path to salvation and enlightenment for all humankind.